Hey guys, Rick Sonance here, back with another video. So in this video we're gonna do a little challenge to celebrate our crazy Black Friday discounts. Right now we're running 40% discounts at everything at the store. Besides that, when you order for more than 100 euros, you will get a 40 euro gift card at the shop. And to make it even crazier, when you're ordering for more than 50 euros, you will get this secret USB stick with an exclusive preset pack and some samples from Sonance on it. With a preset you can make a variety of genres from Melodic Techno to Tech House to Bass House. In this first part we'll be making a Melodic Techno drop in just 10 minutes from scratch with the presets and samples on the USB, so let's straight dive into it. Let me set a timer real quick. We're gonna make it in 10 minutes, so let's get it started. So first we're gonna start off with the drums. Let's open up the Black Friday pack and pick a kick from the pack. Let's use the first one and make the drums at 128 BPM. We're gonna use this clap snare and open it just like this. Lower down the volume just a little bit. And then I want to make a shaker loop to add some more groove, so let's drop in this one. Shorten the notes. And create a MIDI just like this. Change the velocity. Quantize it to get it slightly off the grid. And there we have our shaker loop. Just to sit in the back end of the drums. Then we're gonna mix it real quick. Kick at -5. Route them out to a new mixer channel. Also make sure to sidechain this shaker loop. And mix it in on the kick. Just like this. We're also gonna add a pan man to the shaker to make it pan from left to right. Like this. So that's it for the drums. Now I want to drop in a bass line. So add in a new serum. Pick a preset from the Black Friday pack. Let's use the first one actually. Got really nice harmonics. And just make a simple melodic techno rhythm. Then we're gonna mix it. Some distortion. Roll off the high end. And sidechain it. And then mix it in on the kick. Just like this. And then we're gonna create an animation clip with a mod wheel. Like this. To let it open at the last part of the drop after 8 bars. Like this. Arrange it. We're gonna do the same with a low cut animation on the master channel. So copy the value and create an animation clip. Just like this. Yeah, that's dope. So now we're gonna dive into synth elements. Again, duplicate the serum. Pick a new mixer channel. New pattern. So I want to use an anima kind of style preset from the pack. I think it's really dope, so it's this one. Let's use it at the start of the drop. Yeah, just like this. Then we're gonna mix it. Some distortion. Of course we need some EQing. Like this. And a sidechain. Also add in the reverb and delay. Just like this. And mix it in. Yeah, that's perfect. Then duplicate the serum again. And add in some more leads. I think this one could really work as a melodic fill, so let's start off on the root note. Then we're gonna create a typical melodic techno melody by walking down the scale. So we'll be using these notes with a 4th, 5th, and 6th note of the scale. Yeah, just like this. Bump it up an octave to, again, create more of a melodic techno feel. And that's sick. So we're gonna drop it right here and here. Then we only need to fill up this space. We got 1.5 minutes left, so we need to do that part real quick. Again, another serum. Create a step like this. And search for the proper preset. Maybe in the steps section like this. Yeah, that's sick. I think that could really work. It's a bit too loud, I think, so tweak it a little bit. I think all the sounds are a little bit too loud, so drag back the mixer channel just a little bit. I also want to tweak this one. Just like this to create a kind of a fade out effect. Just like this. And there goes the timer. So I think in 10 minutes we made a really dope foundation of a drop. Of course it's not finished at all, but I think it's a really dope concept. So we're gonna listen to it right now. Besides that, again, if you want to check out the preset pack, check out the link down below. Also make sure to check out the Black Friday deals. We never do discounts on the shop, so this is your only time to get a pack at a discounted price. Besides that, right now we're gonna listen to the final result. And I'll see y'all in the next challenge.